We're good.
I know, we're okay. We're okay.
I need a mag. Okay.
Oh, here you go. Did you do that crayon thing? Your mags? I saw the green.
Is my back one recording?
Good. Yeah.
Okay.
Recording. I was gonna do that.
That looks sexy.
On the bottom over there.
Hey. Oh. That was like it's like an experiment, really.
Oh, you just to see if it worked?
Well, the green.
That looks freaking awesome.
Yeah.
The white over there.
Yeah. I can't stand that whole like.
I hate
how
it
would
too.
they even put that on there?
I was, I was trying one day to, supposedly the acetone works.
Yeah.
I sat there for like the first hour. I was like, all right, that's it. I can't do it. I can't sit here anymore and do it any longer.
Sorry, I had to make an action.
Yeah.
So we should have grabbed him if they had a president.
So, let's go grandma's house. Screw it. Let's just have some fun.
Augie.
What else are we gonna do?
Exactly. Oh my god, my bagger!
How you doing?
Call your hit!
Out, that's it. No, you're dead too, dude.
Ready?
Yeah.
Bang! Bang, bang! Bang! I'm looking right at your hand, yo. Alright, bang.
Bang, bang.
Double up. Double up. Double up. It's at the same time.
Dude, if I shot you, you would have been dead.
I could have shot you too. Guys, move up. Just move up. Move up. Yo! So, I said bang to the guy, and he's like, he's like, I'm behind a wall. Keep your hand up. I know, okay, I saw him clearly, and the other guy comes in the room, and he's like, bang, and I said, we said at the same time, whatever. And he's like, no, I could have shot you. I said, I could have shot you too, but that was it.
You went after it.
Yeah, I know. Fuck. Where? Bang, 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 bang. Thank you.
Yep.
That's all right. Fuck. You got anything?
No.
Red light.
He's changing.
Hit.
You got a young changing, buddy.
That's the red light.
Oh, okay. I got it.
Oh shit! Don't touch it. Thank you.
That would have sucked.
Oh shit! Thank God I threw that. Holy shit!
You're lucky I can still hear him.
Holy shit! Oh my God! Where's he at?
What? There's no one over here.
Shit. Turn on. Hey! Fucking hey.
Change it! Come on!
Chop, where you got him? Bang!
Where you
Hit!
Alright, man, alright. I don't wanna fight about it. Just leave it.
Holy shit, yo. Yo, you hear that thunder beat that went off right here? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
I was like this, this is swelling up. This is literally, look, ready? Throw it, boom. The second I let go of it. Oh my God.